It was really good, people. Welcome back. I see this back at it. Welcome to another episode. I got this 2017 right here. 2017 Buick LaCrosse. Know what I'm saying? This is how I do it. And I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick. Alright? I know. I'm pretty. Do the oil change and how to reset the oil off. Alright? So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do it like a pro. Alright? You ready? Axtuo, Baidu. Yeah. Now you come through here. This is how you open the hood with this guy right here. Just pull it like that. Pop. You come to the front. Right here at the middle. Where's the baby? Ah. Hola, dog. There it is. That's a latch right there. Oh, boom! In your face. You don't need to hold the hood, okay? This is what it is. Motherboard. Engine oil cap. V6 VVT. VVT. This engine is gonna use 5W30 full synthetic oil dipstick, windshield fluid reservoir, engine L filter, fuse box, coolant reservoir, brake fluid reservoir, throttle. Alright. What else? Okay, the alternator down there. This guy right there is the alternator. Over here is where you recharge the AC, the air conditioner. Okay, that's one. The other one shouldn't be too far. So, alright, let's go down there and let's drain the oil. Pause. I'm not lying to you, bro. 2017, 3.6 liter. Alright, let's get it. Let me give you a quick tour. Double muffler. Comes into one now. They merge. That's a I forgot the name of this. Come through all the way here. That's the oil drain plug, alright? And the oil filter right here, okay? Alright. Alright, I'm gonna use 15 millimeter, alright? To lose this oil drain plug. There we go. Well, I'm gonna hold it, okay? Because I don't wanna like there you go. There you go. Way better. Way better. Alright. Well, I'm gonna let it drain for a minute, okay? Because a lot of people are like, yo, you don't let it drain. You just let it drain for 5 seconds. And I'm sorry for the background noise, okay? That's the heater. It's kind of cold now. Nowadays, the weather is cold.
This is LaCrosse, right? LaCrosse 2017. 3.6, right? Okay. 610 412. This is gonna be a special filter. We'll see. So the oil filter is gonna be made by Motorcraft. Okay, that's powered by Ford. Okay, the part number for the oil filter is FL500S. Okay. Now we drain all the oil. We change the filter. You know what I'm saying? When you change the filter, sorry, you can use these are different tools you can use. But that depends on the how much space you have. So you want to use this, grab it like that, turn it counterclockwise, or you can grab this one. You see these cuts right here? I made that. I made it so I have a better grip. You see it's cut. I cut it with the wheel cutter. So put it like this, turn it counterclockwise. Okay. This one is gonna be do more damage. It might penetrate it. So if you don't have the oil filter and you use this, at least put a rag and then turn it. If you don't have the other tool for the oil filter. Let me tie this with a 15mm. Okay. Don't go Conan on the oil drain plug, okay? Don't go crazy. When you remove the filter, it's gonna have some oil, some residue is gonna come out. Pause. Let it drain. Remove the oil filter. I'm saying, clean where the oil filter sits. Okay. And then when you grab your new oil filter, this thing is gonna be dry. So lube it with the same oil you get from here or from here. Then lube it, put it back. Okay. Tight it by hand. Don't go crazy with it, all right? Don't go crazy with tools, okay? You're gonna damage the oil filter, all right? That's one. Now, we're gonna go to the top and pour some oil. All right. So, put the funnel here. You know what I'm saying? Now, we're gonna pour 6 quarts of 5W30 full synthetic, okay? All right, remove your funnel. You're gonna let it run for a minute, okay? So the oil goes through the system, you know what I'm saying? Through the engine and all that. Put this down. In the meanwhile, check the fluids and all that, you know what I'm saying?
Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video how to do the oil change. Alright, now I'm going to show you real quick how to do the oil life reset. Alright, so we have, okay, I'm going to shut it down. Alright, then I'm going to start it. Step on the brake, push the start button. Car is running right now. You see it. You're going to see the message over here. Alright, then you're gonna play with this guy, pause. Alright, if you have any message you have there, just press this and it's gonna dismiss the message. Okay, it's gonna go away. Now all you gotta do is scroll down with this until you see the oil life. Okay, if it says, I just reset it though, so if it says 8% or whatever, all you gotta do now is press and hold it, and you're gonna hear a beep. There you go. You heard that? Now let it go. It's gonna reset it to 100%, and that's it. All right. Now I hope you like this video, guys. And you know where to find me. Thank you for watching. Shout outs to my subscribers. Shout outs to the people that support my work. I appreciate it. Shout outs to my subscribers, fans, Greenland, Russia, Ukraine. All I want is peace. Alright guys, peace and love. Okay, I'm looking for something. Oh yeah, I found it. Now I'm gonna leave it right here. Okay, thank you for watching. Like I said, you know where to find me. If you want to support my work, you see the super thanks button. It looks like a heart. Click on that. Alright, watch the whole ad. That's another way you support the channel. Watch the whole ad, like, share, and anything you want to say, put it in the comment box. Alright, let me know how you feel. Happy Halloween, and holla at your boy. See me in the next one. Alright, I'm out.